Class Ethereum Consensus Daily. I'll go search for the YouTube link. All right, the link is shared in Telegram. Let's start with the updates. Do you want to start, Thomas?
Sure. Yesterday I mostly worked on adding running the node on the server and adding a check for block availability in our state transition function, uh, and also fixing the CI with the change uh, from Capella to Leno, and And yeah, today I'm gonna check. I think there's a bug in the global availability PR. And on the side, I'm gonna study consensus algorithms for yeah, that, that's it.
Yeah, our internal workshops, right? Thanks for the update. The next one is Martin.
Yeah, so for me, I had a very long flight, so I was not in a great state. So I tried my best to catch up and do some reading, but yeah, it was not very productive. But now I'm starting to help with the last bits we need for the NAB for spec tests. So there was something pointed out by Mega about the sync tests. So I'm gonna be working on that to see if we can finish that and then potentially start cleaning up everything previous to the NAP. So yeah, that's what I'll be working on.
All right, that sounds fun. Good luck with that one. As for myself, yesterday I took some office-related tasks because of the new office, and then I organized a little bit of the community call that we will be having next Thursday. So you're all invited next Thursday at, I think it's 2 p.m. UTC, but yeah, you can always check with our Twitter. And then outside of that, I was setting up a full node. I set up a full node between Lighthouse and Geth locally to have some like known working thing fully configured. And I already have that, and it's running correctly on mainnet. My computer specs don't allow that to be working for a long time, but as that's not the goal, what I will do now is configuring my local environment to run multiple of those full nodes. I may end up using Docker for simplicity for the network configuration, but yeah, I'm just testing all of the configuration variables one by one, and then yeah, my next goal is to have an easy script to set everything up, and my next steps after having everything configured is to start maybe building like a smoke test script that sets up everything and like deploy something to one of them. Like my actual goal is to have 3 working nodes in a local testnet, all of them validators, which it also involves having a deposit contract deployed locally, because that's needed for processing new validators, and also all of them with enough, like with a faucet that gives them ETH, so that allows them to become validators. That's the ideal thing. If we have to hard code anything like a validator list for the first steps, that's okay, because we are actually using this to test validator features and not like deposit contract and that kind of stuff. But ideally, we will have the full thing, so that we can like check that we process deposits and everything like end to end. So yeah, working on that still. That's my updates. Do we have any other final comments or questions? All right, I think that we can call it a day then, for the daily at least. And then we'll see. Thank you all for joining. See you all on Monday.